Bakit nga ba nababawasan ang star earnings natin sa Facebook? Let's go! Go to your Facebook account at hanapin mo yung professional dashboard. Then tap that one. Then hanapin mo yung monetization sa tools mo. Pindutin mo yung monetization and makikita mo dyan yung stars mo at stars earnings. Huwag kang magulat kung bakit bumaba yan. Tignan mo ang date. And punta ka sa see all. Then makikita mo dyan yung approximate earnings mo as of the date. Ibig sabihin yan yung kinita mo as of the period of that date. Now balik tayo. Pindutin mo lang yung arrow sa taas. And hanapin mo yung payouts. I-compare mo yung dalawa, makikita mo dyan sa earning balance at approximate earnings. Top view details and the moment of truth. Makikita mo dyan ang kinita mo every month. Ibig sabihin, hindi na babawasan ang star earnings mo. May cut off lang every month. See the process, ibig sabihin to date yan. Ang on hold naman, ibig sabihin hindi mo na met ang minimum withdrawal as of that month. I hope may natutunan kayo sa video na to. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video ko, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more.